Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing this door handle. Now, it's not going to be 100% like it's technically supposed to be done, but this is kind of the story. So, right here is a hex bolt that holds this cap in place. It's a T27. It's on the inside of the door. Mine, however, I did initially try to get it off with a flathead, and it's so old and so dried out and pretty much sun-baked, and it pretty much just fell apart into pieces. This didn't even cross my mind, but that's me. So, proper way is to remove those 3 hex bolts. Again, they're just T27, and then you move that door mechanism out of the way, and then you can access this hex bolt behind the door. And I think we'll pick this up tomorrow when it's lighter outside. It's getting dark and it's getting harder for the camera to focus, so I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, so I'm back. We'll go ahead and start by removing this tape. I just did that so rainwater doesn't get in there. Then we'll go ahead and slide this back, pull this out. Then just make sure your new one is ready. We'll go ahead and put this weather piece back. Go ahead and just slide it in. There we go. Push it forward like that. May have to work with it a little. And then just get your cap, and then just place it on the door. There we go. And then just make sure the door opens and closes. And this is done. Doing it that way did kind of leave a little bit of a gap here. Still a little bit, but I kind of got the worst of it out with the hammer. That's how all that happened, but yeah, it's all right. At least now it's fixed. It opens and closes. And I got plans for this car anyway, so that'll eventually clean up. So again, not 100%, I know, I'll admit it right now, but it still came out okay. Here it is a few days later with better sunlight. Still a little bit of a gap there, but yeah, it's all right. Still looks better than this. And I can still at least open the door now. And as for this white paint, time will take that out. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.